Hello everyone, today we're going to be planting passion fruit from the cuttings. I have a mature tree. This is a passion fruit that came off from this mature tree. And now I'm going to be getting some of the cuttings from it and plant, and then I'm going to be planting them to get more plants for my garden. So we would get one of the healthy ones right here. I'll just get one, but I'll get this one. Okay, so at this point I would get rid of all of those leaves right here and all the starting right there where they already start new plant. We don't want any of this stuff going on here, so I'm gonna use that. And then by the way, before you're gonna start using your scissors, you should disinfect them, because that helps for the tree not to get infected and be healthy, and the plant is gonna get growing. So here we got rid of all of those leaves and small branches, and already it had some bloom for the flowers. Got rid of all of that because that's going to be only distracting the plant from rooting. And main idea right here right now is to make it root. Here that part over here was bent before, so I'm just gonna get rid of it because I don't want it. It's not gonna be helping us. So we want to have 1, 2, 3 nuts, and then from that point on we're gonna have more and more cuttings. We're cutting at 45-degree angle. Then we have 1, 2, 3, another nut. Gonna get rid of this. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, and technically I can use this because it has also 3 nuts. Yeah, I will use that. So we have 4 cuttings right now. So what I found that it's much easier. You can use a potting soil, but what I found that it was for the winter. I did that for the winter, but I'm going to be using it now as well. Now it's the springtime, and I'm going to be using vermiculite instead of a potting soil. I'm just going to be using vermiculite. With the vermiculite, it's very light. It's very light, and if it's not moist, it doesn't have moisture in it, it tends to fall out from the holes from under the bottom. So so that doesn't happen. I put a piece of cloth so it drains well, but the vermiculite doesn't fall out of it. And we're gonna fill out the containers with the vermiculite. Here's the vermiculite. Here I have 2 containers going. Now I'm going to be using for the rooting hormone. I don't like to use chemical rooting hormones because I just don't want to have chemicals in my plants. Now okay, we're just going to be dipping the ends. You have to make sure that you know which part is the bottom and which part is the top. It's very, very important. So we just dipping the bottom part into the honey, just the regular honey, and dipping inside the vermiculite. Now there's another one. You don't have to make holes in here like if you would have done in the potting soil. You don't need to do that. Okay, that's another one right there, and that's another one right here. So we have 4 cuttings going here. Those are 4 new cuttings, and that's gonna take approximately a month or 2 months to get them rooted. So I'm gonna be watering them and keeping them in the greenhouse. I don't want to keep them outside. If you don't have a greenhouse, what can you do? You have to make sure that it's moist, and vermiculite actually gonna help to keep the moist going and keeping it moisture, and gives lots of nutrients. It doesn't need nutrients at this point, but once you have the roots in it, it will have it would need nutrients. So you will have to keep it in a greenhouse. If you don't have a greenhouse, you can get just a plastic bag, put over it, and that's gonna create a greenhouse effect. You keep it in any place, but not directly in the sun, for about a month and a half, and then you should if you'll see, like next to it, you'll see I have plants that's been planted. That was in December, I believe, I planted it. So that was about 2.5–3 months ago. But since it was very, very cold, it was sitting in a greenhouse. So we want to check on the roots right now and see what's happening to the roots. If there is a root system, then I can go ahead and replant it already to another pot. So I'm just gonna gently, very, very gently pull it out, see what's going on there. Here we have beautiful roots, very nice, beautiful roots, and this one is ready to be replanted into the pot, separate pot. So I'm just gonna check another one. Okay, this one has started a new branch, so I'm assuming this one has a root, and this one, it started, but it's not as big yet. I'm just gonna pull it out gently to see what's going on. And this one, okay, this one, it has started forming the roots right there. You can see it. So it needs more time, but right now I'm not going to be replanting it anywhere. I'm just going to put it back in the vermiculite and give it another 15 days to see how it's going. So we're going to check another one. This one has beautiful roots going, and that one we're going to be replanting. So another thing I want to mention, you would want to do about 5, 6, or I don't know how many plants you're trying to get, but not all of them actually gonna make it. And sometimes they do all get roots, and sometimes not all of them get roots. So just to be on the safe side, make more than you need, about twice. And that's about it. So now I'm going to be replanting it and getting more plants, healthy, beautiful plants. You can give it as a gift, or you can keep it in your garden. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe for more new fun videos, and I have more videos about plants and cuttings, and I also have a video where I was showing how to plant passion fruit from the seed that you buy from the store. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.